Okay, so get ready with me. Binigyan tayo ng assignment. Let's test. Okay, if you are same shade with me, I'm in medium tan. Let's try kung ano yung best shade for us. Okay, sa shade finder, you will receive 6 sachet for the medium tan. Okay. This is hazel. This is dulce. This is almond. This is Shena. Shena, guys. Okay, this is Hanabi. This is macadamia. So, ano ako? Ikalat natin. Maputi masyado to. Okay, maputi masyado. This is parang olive masyado. I think I'm between Hanabi and this is macadamia. You think? I'm more on Hanabi. Okay, let's try the Hanabi. Let's go for Hanabi. Okay, then use their bagong puff nila. Ito yun. Let's try the puff. Okay. I think it is light to medium kasi parang skin ko pa rin yan, guys. This is light to medium kasi nakikita ko pa rin yung redness on my nose. But and parang glowy siya. Parang dewy-dewy. Perfect. Dewy matte. This is a dewy matte. So, parang hindi siya ganun ka-matte, hindi siya ganun ka-dewy. Nasa gitna siya. Kasi tignan niyo, meron pa rin siyang light on my nose. So, yung lighter, ilalagay natin on the under eye. But, I will put the color corrector. Ito yung old nila, packaging. This is in the shade medium peach. Medium peach to. Guys, this is medium peach. And then, lagay natin. Ganda talaga pag may color corrector. Kasi, tignan nyo, nag-puff siya on my, sa akin, tignan mo. Diba? Nag-puff siya. Kapag may color corrector. And then, gamitin natin, sayang naman, diba? Yung, I think, almond, yung almond or dulce? I think dulce. Let's try to have a dulce. Ito yung lighter skin tint. Ilalagay natin under my eye. Kasi wala tayo. Hindi tayo bumili ng ng tawag yun, pang radiant tint. So, lagyan lang muna natin. Ito yung old nila na lip balm in the shade coral. So, parang tayo yung labi ka. Ang ganda ng puff niya. Sobrang lang siya. Ang ganda. You should try this. It's only, I think, $199 lang. Sobrang ganda. Tsaka ang lambot niyang i-blend on my, diba, nag-lighter siya. Sabi ko sa inyo Maximize lang natin yan. Online, I think. So, sa Hanabi tayo. Hanabi ang kukunin natin. Kaya naman, if hindi kayo kasi sure, kung ano pa yung shade nyo, better kuha muna kayo ng shade finder. So, ang kinuha ko kasi is medium tan. So, now, I can buy na yung malaking puff nila, which is yung Hanabi. Diba? This is the final look. Babalikan ko kayo kapag